last lecture we started with the stages of parturitions. So the parturitions can be divided into the four stages. The first is the preliminary stage. So in this method is the continuous for the some hours to some even days. So in this method, first is the preliminary stage. There is the swelling of udder and a clear waxy fluid materials oozes from the teats or may be expelled by the pressure of the hands. So in the preliminary stage, so there is the entire genital organs becomes the swollen and the looks the reddish in colors. In the genital organs, there is the clear, waxy, clear straw color with the mucus is secreted from the vagina, which soils the tail and the hindquarters. In the preliminary stage, the cow becomes the uneasy, bellows, and becomes the excited. The first is the preliminary stage. The second is the dilation stage. Dilation stage. So this is the reproductive system, female reproductive systems. This is the uterus. The developments of uterus is actually the uterus. This is the cervix. This is the vagina. This is the fetus. So see the second is the dilation, means the cervix is open. The cervix is the dilated. So there is the marked increase in the uneasiness. So it is the mark in the increase in the uneasiness, followed by a mild labor pains. Increase in the uneasiness followed by the mild labor pain. So what is the mild labor pain? So the mild labor pain, the force is the forces by which the expulsion is achieved are exerted by the plain muscle of the wall of the uterus in the first place, and secondly by the contractions of the wall of the abdomen, which raises the intra-abdominal pressure. The total effect of this is called as the labor pain. So in the second is the dilation stage, is the increase in the uneasiness followed by the mild labor pain. So in this the dilation stage methods, the animals is somewhat distressed and may show the signs of pain in his abdomen. So in the pain in the abdomen, the cow becomes the lie. So in this the cow becomes lie and rise again. The pain becomes the more acute, the cow becomes the lie and the rise again by the several times. Labor pain becomes more acute. The labor pain becomes more acute with short interval. The cow at this stage looks anxious. Her pulse is quickened and her breathing is distressed and rapid. And after about the half to 3 hours, about the half to 3 hours, the water bag. After the half to 3 hours, the water bags appears as the vulva. It is found empty at first, but the forefeet of the fetus or young animals can be felt in the latter. At this stage, these cervix becomes the fully dilated. The fetus. This is the young ones of fetus is takes place in the uterus. So at this stage, these cervix is fully dilated. The second is the dilation stage. So after the half to 3 hours, the water bag appears. Firstly, the water bag is empty, and then about the forefeet of the young animals is filled in the water bag. So the second. Third stage is the expulsion of fetus stage. Third is the expulsion of fetus stage. So this stage, this phase or stage comprises the period of complete dilation. This stage starts with the period of complete dilation of the cervix up to the delivery of the fetus. So this is the expulsion of the fetus stage. So in this stage, the back of the cow is arched. Her chest is back of the cow is arched. Her chest is expanded, and the muscles of her abdomen becomes broad and hard with each labor pain. Frequently, the rectum forcifies the discharge its contents, and the urinary bladder does likewise. At each contraction of the uterus, the water bag protrudes further and further from the vulva till the front hoop is visible. At this stage, the water bag becomes burst, and the quantity of fluid is thrown off, and the animal in the short period is easy. Short period is easy. The calf normally comes. The calf normally comes in the front, take the forefeet. So the calf normally comes with the two front hooves first. Close to set on them is his nose. When the hooves and the nose are at the genital organ of the cow, and the head of the calf is at the pelvic regions, which will have to pass through the small pelvic opening. This is the moment of supreme effort and the greatest point of labor pain. So in these methods, the heifer may cry. At this stage, the heifer may cry out. At this stage, at last, the uterine contractions combined with the additional abdominal force on the uterus result in the driving away of the fetus through the cervix, vagina, and the uterine contractions plus the abdominal weights. This fetus is driving away through the cervix, vagina, and the vulva. So the expulsion. So this phase continues from the complete dilation of the uterus. Dilation of the cervix up to the delivery of the fetus. The third is the the expulsion of the fetus stage. And in the fourth, the expulsion of after birth stage. Expulsion of fetus after birth stage. So in this stage, after the expulsion of calf, the uterus tends to throw out the placental membrane, which is now merely to a foreign body. As a result of uterine contraction, the placenta separates from the cotyledons and passes into the vagina, wherefrom it is expelled. So in this stage, the early discharge of the membrane is desirable to avoid putrefactions of the placenta, which may cause infection to the uterus. So the early discharge of the membranes is desirable. Early discharge of membrane is desirable to avoid the putrefactions of the placenta, which may cause the infection to the uterus. Expulsion within the 6 to 8 hours. Normally, the expulsion within the 6 to 8 hours may be regarded as a normal. When the expulsion is within the 6 to hours, it is said it is the normal. In case it exceeds, so it requires the more than 8 hours, the manual removal is advocated. So the normally expulsion, so the parturition is generally occurs within the 6 to 8 hours. It is the normal parturitions or carving. So it is the study the stages of parturitions. The first is the preliminary stage. Second is the dilations, the cervix is the dilated. Third is the expulsion of the fetus stage. And the fourth is the expulsion of fetus after birth stage. So the completed the second topic is the parturitions. The parturitions can be defined as the expulsion of fetus and its membrane through the birth canal by natural forces, and such a condition of such a stage of development that the fetus is capable of independent life, and in the cows and buffaloes the giving birth to young ones is known as calving. So the young one is known as the calf. In case of the goat, the giving birth to the young ones is known as the kidding. The young one is known as the kid. So the second topic completed the parturitions. Thank you.